Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for coming back. My name is Vasan here, and I'm back with another weekly review video. Hope everyone is doing great, right? So we'll start with the coin market cap, right? So right now the Bitcoin is trading at $94,356, and before moving forward, I would like to inform you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, so do your own due diligence. So let's get right into the video. So in this video we'll cover major news stories, headlines, and also I'll do some technical analysis. I'll give you some price point and direction and my overall thoughts on the market. Okay, let's start. So right now, we have the total market cap is currently 2 trillion and 2.95 trillion, and overall 24 hour volume is 56.48 billion, and the dominance BTC dominance is 63.6%. Ethereum is 7.5%, and fear and greed index is 94 or 49. Okay, let's look at the market right now. So, like I said, Bitcoin is trading at $94,330, and Ethereum is trading at $1,810. XRP at $2.16, BNB at $591, Solana is $144, and Dogecoin is $0.723. Cardano at 0.675. Pretty much it. So in last 24 hours, you can see over here this coin virtual protocol is trending. It's trading at 10 point. It's up by 10.53%. Let's see. The trending coin is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Last, just give me a moment. Let's see. Flare is trading last 7 days is up by 16.49%. Solar is up by 16.04%. Quant is up by 11.88%. You can see over here. And what is going down? Bonk is down by 20%. Worldcoin, I believe it got recently listed. We'll talk about that later on. It is down by 20.35%. Celestia is also down. Optimism is down by 15%. Algorand is down by 13.95%. Hedera is down by 11.41%. Avalanche is also down by 11.37%. All right, let's see. Okay, let's move forward. So you can see, let me open up the bubble so we can have a visual representation of the token. Let's see, monthly, weekly. So we have virtual. I have not gone through this token yet. I've not studied it. Once I'll do, I'll make another video for that. Let me know what you think about this. Virtual Flare is up by 16%. Foam, FORM is up by 11. Layer Hype is also up. DEXE is up by 10.7%. What is down? Worldcoin, Algo, Tia, Bonk. is down crazy, 21.2%. Sui is also down by 10.2%. Link is also down by 8%. These are some of my favorite points. Again, not a financial advice. Anyways, let's move forward. So starting up, we have a couple of stories that I'll go through. The first one is from the blog. Shout out to the original media provider. So Tether CEO says the firm's AI product will enable peer-to-peer network of AI agents. Of that, let's take a look at it. Tether's CEO announced the upcoming launch of Tether AI, which is described as an open source AI runtime. The system will be able to run on any hardware or device and integrate with crypto payments. Now it says Tether, the issuer of the leading stablecoin, is expanding its technological footprint with the launch of Tether AI. CEO Paulo Ordino announced. Ordino said the firm is working on OpenAI, open source AI runtime that seems to operate on any hardware or device that can integrate with crypto payments. So these are some technological advancements. Tether, the company Tether, issuer of biggest, I would say, a USD stablecoin is doing. So you can go through the complete story. I have links in the description. You can go through that. And guys, if you're listening this on the podcast side, I would really suggest you to please hop on my YouTube channel for the real action. I'm planning for a lot of things on this channel, so suggest you to please subscribe and check out my YouTube as well. Another story is from zycrypto.com. Uh, Trump's ultra bullish crypto moves to drive 90 billion raise for XRP Solana ETF approval. Okay, Trump is again bullish, as always bullish on crypto. So a Bloomberg analyst has revealed the latest odds for Altcoin ETF approval in the United States amid growing speculation. All eyes are fixed on the Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC ahead of expected timelines for a decision concerning these products. At the moment, Solana, Litecoin, and XRP remain key for several institution players seeking exposure to the market. All right. So approval odds are soaring as high as 90% as the White House take a friendly approach to crypto regulation. What Bitcoin and Ethereum product got approved before uh, Trump's second term. All right, just give me a moment. Let's go. So, former SEC Chair Gary Gensler imposed stricter restriction, which may consider roadblocks to innovation. However, Trump's second term has turned the ride in the industry's favor with pro-crypto appointments and policies. This is overall a good news, I would say. Let's move forward. Another story is coming up from uh, coincu.com. So, Apple permits crypto app payments via external sites after court order. Apple updates App Store policy following a court ruling. Developer gain flexibilities integrating the payments and potential rise in iOS-based decentralized apps and NFT. So you now will be able to seamlessly use crypto NFTs on iOS devices as well. So Apple has changed its App Store policy, now permitting crypto related app developers to guide users to external sites for transactions. Mm. All right, this is great. It's a big news, I would say. You can read the complete story in the description here. Right, let's move on to the another story from ambcrypto.com. SEC drops Ripple case after 4 years, sign of a clear crypto regulations. All right, so Ripple's legacy victory has sets a precedent for future U.S. crypto policy and regulations. SEC delays XRP Solana ETF decision amid Ripple post-lawsuit business expansion. So Donald Trump, as we have already discussed this, let's get touch on it. Donald Trump's return to the political stage has triggered significant shift in the crypto landscape, uh, prompting the US SEC to resolve long-standing legal tensions with several firms. While many in this industry welcome these resolution, XRP Labs remain a major exception as its courtroom battle with the SEC continued to loom large. And now they have finally won. All right, you can go through this inside the description again. We have another one from X from this. I love this account, Bitcoin Archive. You can check it out at BTC underscore archive. So North Carolina Senate just passed the strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, and I believe there there will be a lot of other states they follow suit with North Carolina. Let's move forward from another one is from decrypt.co. Ethereum sets for UX overhaul with new interoperable address standards. So I have gone through a lot of updates from Ethereum lately, and Vitalik Buterin has proposed major changes in the standards. So contributors are working on new ERC 7930 and ERC 7828 standards to simplify transaction on Ethereum and compatible chains. So the new ERC uh, standard gives computers standardized format, while ERC 7828 creates human readable address. Okay, well, this is great. I've been like hearing a lot recently, like last year, about human readable addresses. But let's see, let's stay tuned for this. And these standards prevent costly errors when sending assets between different networks. Implementation is expected in wallets and cross-chain protocols after it's finalized on May the 9th. Okay, well, Ethereum is not performing well recently, as you all might have seen, but let's see. Another one is from the block.co. The Sam Altman's World project launching in US with plans for Visa cards in the pilot program. Sam Altman World project is launching in the US, which has been significantly more willing to embrace crypto ventures since President Donald Trump took office. Americans will be able to collect WLD tokens when verifying their personhood and establishing a world ID. Oh man, this is if it happens, it takes a lot of effort, and I don't know when there's going to be a very sophisticated venture, I would say. Uh, Another one is the point added on the same story. The project also plans to launch a Visa card that users can use to spend digital assets. Okay, let's see. Another one is from the Defiant. The headline says Coinbase adds Worldcoin to listing roadmap supports trading on Optimism Network and Coinbase Exchange. This is great. I have to read a lot about Worldcoin, man. Guys, you just let me know in the chat or in the comment section. I'll create an complete. overview or analysis on WLD token? Let me know. Coinbase has announced the addition of Worldcoin to its listing roadmap, signaling upcoming support for the cryptocurrency on its platform. This is great. This is an AI generated. Okay. Well, you can go through this article. I have the links in the description as always. Another one is from Protos.com. Tornado Cash is safe from US sanctions, says the code. Right. Crypto mixer Tornado Cash can no longer be relisted on the U.S. Treasury Office of Foreign Assets Control (OFAC) sanction list following a Texas court ruling on Monday. Treasury added Tornado Cash to be to the list in 2022 and claimed it helped launder 7 billion worth of funds from the likes of North Korea, Lazarus Group, and then after years of court proceeding, it was removed from the list last month. Okay. Well, you can again go through this complete story. I don't have any I don't have anything to say about this. I was aware about it, but uh, nothing to do with it. Anyways, this is another important story from Coin Clipper. So the headline is Swiss National Bank rejects Bitcoin reserve proposal. This is bearish, man. Why would you do it? Hmm. So the Swiss National Bank has rejected proposal to include Bitcoin in its reserves, pointing to stability and liquidity issues. Crypto advocates continue pushing for constitutional changes to recognize Bitcoin alongside gold. This is important. You can again go through it. So let's look at some charts and do some price analysis. I'm not big on TA as you guys know, but hey, I know some levels. Some levels. No, I just do basic analysis as you might have seen in my previous videos like support resistance, MACD, RSI, basic ones. And it works, you know. You can use a lot of sophisticated pointers, indicators, tools, but basics always works. I mean, at least for me. So right now, as you can see, the total market cap at $2.89 trillion, and we have support at 2.75 trillion dollars. Major support. Let's wait for it. I like for me it is still looking always bullish, but let's see. And we have BTC market cap at 1.87 trillion dollars, which is again looking bullish. We have major support at 1.46 trillion dollar. All right. So the total two, which is including BTC, we have a support. Let's see at $700 billion, and it is trading at 1.02 trillion dollars. Let's see. That is looking bearish, man. Total three again at 800.9 billion dollars. Looking bearish to me. We can go till this level. You were recently there, I believe, in December last year. Highest was $1.15 trillion. And the old one, Good Daddy, BTC. So currently trading at 94,113 dollars. Okay, I don't have more indicators at this moment, so let's see. We can reach to the all-time high very soon, in my opinion. We can also touch like the barest move. It can go uh, till 75 or $74,000, but we are expecting one more than $100,000. So let's see. Hmm. Let's do it. S&P 500. It is.